Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a killer YouTube script. So if you want to write YouTube scripts that boost watch time, give viewers who can please the 2025 algorithm, in this tutorial I'll walk you through the how to write it step by step. So let's get one thing clear, that in 2025 YouTube's algorithm loves videos with high retentions, repeat viewers, and engagement within 30 seconds. So first, your script must grab attention fast or viewers bounce. And next, the 0 until 15 seconds, that's the hook. 15 until 30, that is the setup. And from 1 minute until 4 is the delivery. And for 4 minutes, and after that is the CTA or look back or bonus. First, you can start with a strong hook. So open with the questions, a bold claim, or the outcome the viewers wants. For example, you can ask them, want to double your viewers without changing your gear? Here's how the pro script the videos in 2025. So for tip, you can write 3 hook options and test the best one in short or titles. And the next step is deliver a clear setup. So tell them exactly what's coming and what they will learn or gain and why they should stay. Set expectation, and this will build trust and reduces drop off. And next, the body structure that holds attentions. So break your script into digestible sections. You can use lists, transitions, mini hooks, and also visual prompts. Each 20 until 30 seconds, something new should happen visually or narratively. So the formula is explain, show, and relate, and after that ask. You can use engagement trigger like command your niche. And next, use CTA that doesn't kill retention. So instead of saying like and subscribe early, embed your CTA naturally at the end or in a bonus. For example, want my script template? It's linked below. I use for all my viral videos. And you can offer a tool, checklist, or mini freebie. And that's your step-by-step YouTube script formula for 2025. If you want my free script template and AI powered script builder, you can check the links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.